Hello, today we'll learn the basics of PHP. PHP it's a server-side language. It's a back-end language. But the good thing with PHP, you can render it in the browser. So the browser can also read PHP, but it's a server-side language. So we'll start with set the environment for PHP. So first we need to make a server for PHP because it's backend language, and it's not like HTML. You can render it directly. So we need to use some application or some tools to work with PHP. I will use exam. You can use anything you want. Usually all Apache server can help you. So, but I will use exam. So let's check here. Let's go to if we go to exam download, let's make a website. So this is the website for apachefriends.org. This is the link to download the Apache. You will see what is it here. So here the page where you can download exam. So this is for Windows. I'm using Windows. I already installed it. So, but it's available also for Linux and OS. So here you check which version you want, and you download it and you install it. After you download, it will be exe file. It's a MSI file. So you open it and you continue downloading. Just next, accept the terms and download the example. I already have it in my system. I use Windows. So here you click download. The download will start, and after you finish the download, you open the file which you install and you continue the processing of install. It's just regular installation. And here you can choose the version and the operation system. Here for Windows, here for Linux, and here for OS if you use Mac. So let's finish this and let's go to where it will be installed. The default location will be in the C. So if you change it, you know where is it. But this is the default location if you didn't change it. So inside the C, exam, and inside the exam you will find an htdocs, and the server will serve by default inside this htdocs. So when you run the server and you open it, you can reach it by localhost, and I will show you how. It will check this folder htdocs, and he will check for the index PHP, and he will run the index PHP inside this folder. If you go to localhost, you can make an extra project here. For example, this is what I will do now. I make a PHP project. So if I want to access this, I need to go to localhost/php, and he will check inside this folder if there is index PHP, and he will run and he will render this folder. If there is no index PHP, he will show you what inside this folder. He will not run an HTML page. So, and when you install the exam, you will see the icon in desktop. I deleted, I put it in the let's show you the icon. If you go to exam, this is the exam. What you have start, you have control. Usually you need the control one. So for me it's already open. When you open you will have one of this icon in the desktop, or if not, you can come to here and open the control. This is the one. But it's already open in my file here. So what you can do here, we don't need the MySQL, so I will stop it for now. I will stop also the Apache. So what you need to run the PHP, it's just the Apache server. So you start the Apache server, and by default he will open in the port 80. So just localhost. So if you go to localhost, you will get the file, this file, which if you just go to localhost, you will go to here, htdocs. You will run this file, this code will run. But for me, I want to run this one. So if I want to go to here and run this, I need localhost. It will run this file /php. So I will check inside this file and run this file. Let's check how it will work here. So my server here, it's running Apache and in 80 by default in 80. If you want to change the port, you can change it from config file. So let's go to localhost/php. So and we have an empty because the file is empty. So if I put the project in I open the project, the PHP, let's show you. If I open this one, the PHP project, and the editor, I use Visual Studio. So this is the project PHP, and this is the file, which index PHP. So you need to write the code inside in PHP file. So here you need to write the code. So I will show you just how to start write PHP. You need to open tag and like this, and the editor give me already the option here, which it's the right option, PHP, and this is how you open the tag, and this is how you close it. So this is how you open the PHP tag, and this is how you close the tag. You can put your code inside here, so you can make something like this and you put your code here. And if some web developer don't close, you can't do this. You can just open and write your code here. If you don't want to close it, it will work. But I prefer to close it because sometimes you write many things inside the PHP. So I will show you now just one thing. So if you write echo, let's say echo, it's need a string. So we need to write a string, let's say hello, and you need to, after it's command, you need to close the command with semicolon, and this is how should be, always semicolon. So PHP know this line it's end here, this command it's end this. So if we write echo, so should be print hello in the DOM. And let's check what happened in the, need to refresh, and we get hello here. So this is how you can write the first line of PHP. It's super easy. So we will continue in next video, and I will start show you more about PHP. See you next video.